In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you remove a Shopify theme from your store using a desktop. Before we get started, a quick note on what you'll see. In Shopify, your currently active storefront is called the published theme. Any other themes you've added but aren't using live are stored in the theme library. That's where you'll remove unused themes to keep your store tidy and your dashboard uncluttered. Go ahead and log in to your Shopify admin. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Online Store, then select Themes. This page shows your published theme at the top, and if you scroll down, you'll find the Theme Library section. This is where all your unpublished themes live, including older designs, test layouts, or duplicates you no longer need. Find the theme you want to delete in the theme library. Take a moment to double-check the name so you don't accidentally remove something you plan to use later. When you're sure, look for the three-dot Actions button next to that theme. Click it to open the menu, then choose Remove. Shopify will ask you to confirm. Click Remove again in the confirmation window to finalize it. A very important reminder here, removing a theme is permanent. According to Shopify, once you remove a theme, you can't recover it unless you previously downloaded a backup. If there's any chance you might want that design, settings, or customizations later, make sure you've already secured a copy beforehand. Deleting is best when you're confident the theme is truly no longer needed. If the theme you're trying to delete is currently published, Shopify won't let you remove it right away. You'll first need to publish another theme in its place so your storefront remains active. After you've switched your store to a different theme, come back to the theme library and follow the same remove and confirm steps on the theme you intended to delete. That's all there is to it. By managing your theme library regularly, you keep your workspace clean and reduce confusion about which files are safe to edit. It also helps you avoid accidentally customizing the wrong theme. Remember, remove only what you're certain you won't need again, and keep a backup if you're on the fence. When you're done, your store's theme list will be leaner, clearer, and easier to maintain.